sources of light. In this video, you can learn about sources of light, luminous and non-luminous objects, natural and artificial sources of light, incandescent and non-incandescent light sources, bioluminescent light sources, and reflectors of light. What is a source of light? Any source or object which emits its own light is a source of light. Sun, stars, light bulb, fire, lamp, lighter, candlelight, flame by matches. What is a luminous object? Any object that gives off light of its own is called a luminous object. Therefore, every source of light is a luminous object. What is a non-luminous object? An object that doesn't emit light of its own or reflect light from a luminous object is called a non-luminous object. Now look at this bedroom. What do you see? A bed, bookshelf, tables, wardrobe, aircon, etc. During the daytime, you can see these things thanks to the sunlight. But when it gets darker and nighttime arrives, you cannot see the things in the bedroom unless you turn the lights on. If the bed, bookshelf, tables, wardrobe, aircon emit their own light, you do not need to turn the light on to see them in the dark. But they don't emit light and you cannot see them in the dark. Therefore, the things like the bed, bookshelf, tables, wardrobe, aircon, etc. are non-luminous objects. Now, let's group the sources of light. Sources of light can be divided into two types: natural sources of light, artificial sources of light. Sun, stars, lightning, fireflies, and jellyfish are some natural sources of light. Light bulb, lamp, fire, torch, and candlelight are some of the artificial sources of light. What is meant by incandescent? When an object is incandescent, it emits light because it is hot. Emitting light as a result of being heated is called incandescent. Most sources of light are incandescent. What is meant by bioluminescent? Living things that emit light without getting hot are called bioluminescent. Examples of bioluminescent light sources: fireflies, glowworms, anglerfish, viperfish, black dragonfish, and jellyfish are some of the bioluminescent light sources. Examples of non-incandescent light sources: fluorescent tubes, glow-in-the-dark paints, glow-in-the-dark signs, glow-in-the-dark stickers, and glow-in-the-dark sticks. Reflectors of light. What are reflectors of light? Reflectors of light cannot emit their own light. They just reflect light from luminous objects. Now, let's look at this example. Sun, moon. The moon doesn't emit its own light, but it shines brightly at night because it takes sunlight during the daytime and reflects it at night. So we who are on Earth see this reflected sunlight from the moon at night. Examples of reflectors of light: moon, mirrors, smooth water, metal, and smooth and shiny surfaces. For more free lessons, worksheets, quizzes, and videos like this, visit KSchoolLessons.com. Like our Facebook page, Subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on Pinterest and Twitter by clicking the links in this video description. Thanks for watching and see you next time in another video like this.